Hey there! Welcome to our HubSpot Managed Company demo. I'm here to show you just how easy it is to get started. Let's dive in. First, from your HubSpot dashboard, head over to the side menu. Click on CRM, and then click on Companies. To add a new company, click on the Create Company button in the upper right corner. A form will appear where you can enter the company's details. Start by filling in the company name and domain name fields. These are the most important pieces of information. Next, you can add additional information like the company's address, phone number, industry, and any other relevant details. The more information you add, the better you can manage your relationships. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, click on the Create button at the bottom of the form to save the new company. And there you have it. You've successfully added a company to HubSpot. Now you can manage this company along with all your other contacts. Now I'll show you how to import companies into HubSpot using a CSV file. Let's dive in. To import a list of companies, click on the Import button in the upper right corner. You'll be taken to the Import page. Here you have two options, importing from a file or syncing with an app. Click on Start an Import, and then choose Import File from Computer. In this step, select Companies. Select the CSV file that contains your company information. Make sure your file is formatted correctly with headers like company name, domain, phone number, and any other relevant details. Once you've selected your file, HubSpot will prompt you to map the columns in your CSV to the corresponding fields in HubSpot. This ensures all your data gets imported correctly. Double-check the mappings, and when everything looks good, click on Next. After the import is complete, you'll see all your companies listed on the Companies page. You can click on any company name to view or edit their details. Absolutely, you can link your contacts to their respective companies in HubSpot. Just go to a contact's profile, find the associated company section, and search for or add the company. This helps keep all interactions and data organized in one place. Easy peasy.